Hey guys, so in this video, pag-usapan natin kung paano ba tayo kikita at ano ba yung sistema ni Millards. So this is a verified smart contract, 100% decentralized. So we all know na ang decentralized project is a scam-free project. But of course, kailangan din nating i-consider kung ito ba ay legit na smart contract kasi not all smart contracts are legit kasi meron yung mga natatampered. So with Millards, pag-usapan natin how legitimate this project is. So welcome to Millard. Ang Millards pala ay it's a French word which stands for billions of wealth. So let's see, and as we go through this presentation, maunawaan natin ng mabuti kung paano ba tatakbo yung sistema nito. So, what is Millard? It's a powerful business platform powered by decentralized smart contract. $3 in USDT, BEP20, makakapag-start na tayo. And we already unlocked opportunity to earn millions in easiest method in the history of blockchain industry. So, alam natin kung gaano ka-powerful at alam natin na ang blockchain is anonymous. Okay? So, walang nagko-control, walang makakapigil once it started. So, ang kailangan lang dito is yung strong community and mga leaders na hindi titigil sa pag-promote at pag-build ng community. So, this is a community-driven project with a twist of very powerful system. Okay? Bakit very unique si Millard? So, alam naman natin, 100% decentralized is a scam-free project. So, Millard has no owners. So, meron lang siyang developer, okay? And it was already deployed since nilaunch ito last November 20. Ay, na-deployed na siya sa system. Ang makokontrol lang ng developer is yung user interface. But, through the smart contract, ay makakapag-interact pa rin tayo. So, say for example, merong maintenance, okay? Pwede nilang gawin yan, pwede nilang i-down yung system temporarily to fix the user interface. So, yun yung ating mga dashboard. Pero, kung gusto pa rin nating mag-withdraw, we can still do that through the smart contracts. Okay? So, Millard Smart Contract regulates the interaction between the users according to the business platforms. So, ano-ano yung mga key features ni Millards? So, it has a solid foundation. So, hindi nga ito katulad ng mga nilo-launch na mga smart contracts na kinopya lang kasi yung iba. So, whenever they want to launch a project, magbibuild lang ng hype, and then after that, the next day, the community is dead. Okay? So, yun yung disadvantage. This time, si Millard ay pinaghandaan, okay? Since October, ito po ay pinag-uusapan na, no, ng ating mga top leaders. Ibig sabihin guys, ito ay talagang pinaghandaan at hindi ito yung basta-basta lang na projects na binild sa smart contract. So, Millard is based on a very powerful business model with minimal capital of just 3 USDT. Okay? Where all mechanisms are deployed on smart contracts that enforce security, integrity, transparency, and inviolability. So, makikita natin lahat yan through the smart contract. So, pag nag-search ka ngayon sa YouTube at sa Facebook, sa mga social media platforms, pag nakita mo ang isang project ay pinag-uusapan, that makes a project more stable and potential of success in the future. Okay? Kasi this is a community-driven project at napaka-importante nung participation ng bawat members, most especially mga leaders. Okay? Yun yung backbone of smart contract. So, Millards gives everyone the opportunity to create, maintain, and develop their own team. So, big advantage din dito kung mapapasama ka sa isang strong and united community. Okay? So, kung ang upline mo masipag mag-invite or masipag mag-build, okay? Damay-damay tayo dito. Alright? So, once you are with Millards, you are automatically tapping into a world's biggest wealth creation mode in crypto or blockchain space. And you are bound to become rich if you put little extra efforts like any other business you have done so far, or even if you are new in this field. Okay, so hindi kailangan ng experience, hindi kailangan na magaling ka sa crypto. The system is already built, and unlike dun sa mga nasalihan nga natin na mga smart contracts, this is very unique. Okay? And sabi ko nga, napaka-importante ng community. So, pag tiningnan mo to sa YouTube, talagang trending siya at maraming mga nagpo-push na mga top leaders, which is a good sign na tatagal at magiging strong yung project na to. Okay? So, sa ngayon, mga Indians or community in India, yung nagpe-present or meron silang mga regular Zoom presentations, which is English naman yung language. So, pwede tayong mag-attend, no, to further understand how this business or system model will work for us. So, lahat ng transactions, gaya ng mga smart contracts na alam natin, nakilala na natin, no? Alam natin kung gaano ka-transparent. So, all of the transactions, lahat ng mga deposits, upgrades, and IDs na or registrations, nakikita natin yan very transparent through the smart contract. Okay? Therefore, you can always track the incoming and outgoing transactions, both yours and made by any other Millards users. So, the smart contract is also open for examination, and you can always check its mechanics or ask someone you trust to do it for you. So, yun nga, nakakabasa naman na tayo ng smart contract. Hindi lang natin siya kayang gawin, no? Kasi I have reviewed the smart contract since I'm already exposed to most of the smart contracts na nilo-launch. So, nakita ko naman na napakaganda ng coding niya, okay, and very professional. So, dun pa lang, makakampante ka na yung sinalihan mo is very stable and very strong. Okay? The most up-to-date technology. So, Millards implies the most cutting-edge technology available in the moment to ensure that users get the best experience when building their online business. So, this uses the Web3 technology and to connect users through the public wallet key only without the need to disclose any sensitive data. So, yun yung maganda dito, guys. No need KYC, no? Since this is built on Web3, so through our wallets, makakapag-connect na tayo and makakapag-participate sa project na to without the need to disclose any sensitive data or any personal data. So, yun lang. So, dapat pakaingatan natin yung mga wallets natin kasi sabi nga dito ay we will earn billions of wealth, 'di ba? So through the powerful system na binilt ni Millards. So this is unstoppable business setup, okay? The whole idea behind Millards is based on infinitely working independent programs where no one, even the creators, have control over their operation. So we all know that. Okay, since na-deploy na to sa system, no one will stop this as long as this is a very legitimate project and no backdoor. It depends on the developer. So dito guys, ang developer nito is very visible. Okay, nakikita mo siya at napaka hands-on, though hindi na niya makokontrol, out of control na siya, no, dito sa system na ginawa niya, but still he's there to support the project, and of course meron pa rin siyang big role dito, no, to maintain the user interface wherein dito tayo magki-create ng wealth. Okay? So, the smart contract makes their logic immutable so it cannot be changed or destroyed as it is stored in the blockchain. Combination of economically sound programs and immutability of the smart contracts makes Millards unstoppable. So, yun ang sinasabi natin na yung ibang mga developers na grabe po kung makapag-launch ng mga project is halos inaaraw-araw na, 'di ba? Kasi kinakopy lang pala yung code. So ito ay hindi katulad ng mga projects na 'yon dahil ito ay pinaghandaan at napaka-unique nung system niya. Okay? So eto na guys yung compensation plan. There are 8 types of income dito kay Millard. So this is the real golden opportunity for those who wants to change their financial destiny with a small amount of $3 as a business starting capital and wish to make a huge fortune out of it. So, Millards is the most powerful, super affordable, 100% verified, authentic smart contract. It gives you 8 types of super powerful non-stop income. So, nakita ko rin no, yung kaibahan nito at yung sobrang affordable niya compared dun sa mga nasalihan ko na smart contracts. So, alam naman natin, yung mga smart contracts like in Polygon, no, there are 9 levels up to 10 levels, which is nag-spend tayo ng huge amount to activate all of the maximum levels to maximize then yung earning opportunity. Kasi syempre, pag nag-maximum upgrade tayo, alam natin na ang ini-aim natin doon is not to miss the earnings, okay? And to receive all the possible earnings from the system, 'di ba? Kaya nga tayo nag-upgrade doon. So, pag kinompute no yung nagagastos natin doon is inaabot din ng less than $2,000 US. Okay? Ganun talaga kalaki no yung i-spend mo. So nagulat ako dito kasi sobrang affordable niya if we compare this to those matrices na smart contracts na sinalihan natin or nilaunch natin. So ito yung 8 ways to earn dito sa Millards. So, yung una is yung X3 Unlimited Active and Passive Income with the recycle features. So, alam natin na very powerful yan. Gustong-gusto ko yung recycle na yan kasi dyan natin na-achieve yung unlimited income or lifetime income. Okay? So, meron din tayong X6 na unlimited din siya, both active and passive income. Okay? So, ang na-excite ako dito talaga is yung passive income wherein lahat ng community ay makikinabang kasi not everyone has the ability to recruit people. 'Di ba? So, nagandahan ko siya kasi nung nag-test ako nito, talagang very powerful. So, even if you don't have people or invited people, meron ka, mag-start ka na talagang mag-earn sa ayaw at sa gusto mo. So, na-try ko yan sa account ko. That's why I pursue to work out this project. So, there's also unlimited spillover income from your upline, downline, or even on your left team and right team. Alright? So, another additional ways to earn is through the ranks. Okay? So, meron tayong 4 na ranks dito. Meron tayong Millards Gold, Millards Diamond, Platinum, and Emperor. So, meron ka lang certain tasks na kailangan mong i-work out to achieve these ranks. And pag na-achieve mo yung mga ranks na yan, meron kang additional earnings pa rin sa atin. Okay? So, there is 10% withdrawal deduction which is added to the community distribution. So, hindi naman napunta sa dev, kundi dun din yan mapupunta sa dinidistribute sa atin na mga earnings and bonuses. Our currency and network, okay, we are using USDT BEP20 as the main currency. So, ang advantage nito is very stable. So, malayo tayo sa dump ng mga coins na compared dun sa mga other projects na they have native tokens wherein later on ay wala namang nagiging value. So, ang advantage lang natin dun sa mga smart contracts natin is they are using already built up currency like POL or Polygon token and BNB, but ang disadvantage naman nun is very volatile. So sometimes the price is very low and sometimes the price is very high. So yun lang yung advantage and disadvantage. Dito kay USDT naman, very stable. So it's like US dollar din. So kung ano yung value nung na-earn natin, it's up to us kung gusto naman natin yung i-buy ng currency na gusto natin or mga crypto na gusto natin. But still, we are like earning US dollars here. Very stable. So, we're using BNB Smart Chain then since this is a smart contracts. So, kailangan natin ng Web3 wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Token Packet, SafePal, name it. So, alam na natin yan, yung mga Web3 wallets na yan. So, ang kailangan lang natin is BNB Chain Network. Okay? So, business setting up cost. We only need $3 plus a minimal amount of 0.1 US dollar worth of BNB para sa gas fee. Okay? how to join. Ayan, gagamit tayo ng Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So, it's up to you kung ano yung mas feel mo na gamitin na Web3 wallet. And then, you need a referral link from your sponsor or the person who invited you. And lalagin ka lang dito kay millards.io. Okay? Ipipaste mo yung referral link or ID number. And then, make sure that you have 3 USDT on your wallet and 0.01 BNB in BEP20 network. And then that's it. Pwede ka nang mag-register and to access your dashboard. Okay, so this is the registration process. This $3 will activate all of the 3 matrices. So we have 3 matrix here. Unlike the usual smart contracts, which is only X3 and X6, dito meron na siyang X9. And dito, na-activate na lahat ng matrix na yan, automatic. So, it means, kailangan natin ng $3 and that $3 will automatically unlock X3, X6, and X9. Okay? So, para kang meron ngayon na 3 branches of businesses. Alright? Next lot will be bought together in all 3 businesses segments by default. So, we only have 8 slots here and same thing applies. So, once na inactivate mo yung slot number 1, ma-activate na lahat ng matrices, yung X3, X6, and X9. So, let's break down the project. Okay? Millards consists of 3 most powerful, highly profitable business segments with limitless potential. So, para siyang golden bars, diba? It's like golden opportunity na i-open natin. So, X3, X6, and X9. So, ito yung mga slots, no? We have 8 slots. Okay? Ang total value niya is 255 USDT. So, pwede mo siyang, each slot requires an unlocking amount to generate unlimited income. So, yun nga, ayun yung mga price ng bawat slots niya. Okay? There are only 8 slots. And, the next slots is mas, doubled ng previous slots. So, hindi mo pwedeng i-unlock yung higher slot na to hanggat di mo na i-unlock yung previous slots. So, it means magsisimula ka sa slot number 1 and then slot number 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay? So, slot should be bought in ascending order. So, how does Millards X3 matrix works? So, eto siya. Okay? Sa X3, meron kang 12 people. So, 3, 6, 9, 12. So, you have 2 levels only. Okay? Your first 3 directs will give you 40%. Alright? 40% from your 3 levels. And then, 40% from your second level. Only 7 people on your second level will give you 40% because the last 2 people will serve as our rebuy or recycle. So, ano yung worth nito? This is very important again kasi through these 2 slots, dun tayo mare-renew or mas-cycle and it means mag-empty ulit yung mga slots na to and we are ready to make another cycle to earn from these people na magpo-fall under sa ating matrix. So, that's unlimited earning for us as long as na-fill up yung lahat ng slots na yan. Okay? So, ito yung computation ng X3. Alright, this is the table. So, again, yung slot number 1 is $1 kasi nasa X3 lang tayo. No? Ang magiging profit nito after you cycle is $4. So, normally, okay, dun sa mga nasalihan natin na smart contracts, pag nag-cycle tayo, okay, sa X3, meron lang tayong 120%. Okay, kasi 60% na direct matrix income. So, time is 2 yon kasi yung third person is our recycle. So, it means we only earned 120% from X3. And then, on our X6, meron tayong 180%. But here, sa Millards, ang X3 natin ay mag-earn tayo ng 400%. Kasi there are 12 people under our matrix. Okay? So, ito yon 3, 6, 9, 12. Alright? So, mas malaki siya. Okay? 400%. So, how much is that? So, ito yung computation niya, guys. Alright? So, 255 USDT in total. Ang magiging profit natin is 1,020. So, that's the 400%. So, every slot yan, guys. Depende kung ang binuksan mo lang is slot number 1. Ito yung earnings mo, $4. Okay? So, kung ikaw naman ay mag-upgrade ng mga next level through your earnings, okay, ito yung total earnings mo. Pero kung out of your pocket, in-unlock mo na siya in one shot. It means, ng isahang bagsak lang. Okay? Pagka-register mo, inactivate mo na lahat ng levels. It means, there's only 255 USDT, di ba, for X3 na capital in total. So, it means, ima-minus natin yan dito sa $1,020 na income. So, total na profit mo, okay, net profit mo is 766 USDT. Okay? So, this is your capital out of your pocket. Pero kung ikaw naman ay ginawa mo siya gradually, step by step, okay? Pag nag-earn, upgrade, earn, upgrade. So, pag ganun yung ginawa mo, ang magiging total mo is 1,020 net profit na yan. Yun nga lang, medyo mabagal yung mangyayari kasi naghihintayan kayo ng grupo mo, hinihintay ka nila, so mabagal ang magiging growth. Pero kung ikaw ay gusto mo talaga yung mabilisan, pwede mong gawa ng paraan para i-unlock yung all slots na yan, and that will give you a huge earning potential. Okay? Mas mabilis yung magiging growth mo, 'di ba? So, 'yun ang magiging earnings mo for 100%, okay? For X3. Now let's talk about X6. So, same thing applies on X6. There are 8 slots. Okay? So, bawat slots na yan, nadodouble lang siya. So, another 255 USDT for the total 8 slots na yan na activation. Pwede mo siyang i-activate one by one. Kapag nag-earn ka, i-activate mo yung next slot. Pag nag-earn ka ulit, activate mo yung next slots. But if you have the capability na i-unlock na yung lahat ng slots na yan, much better, mas mabilis kang mag-earn. Kasi ang advantage nun is the next people, no, na mag-activate or mag-unlock din ng higher levels na nag-follow sa'yo, wala kang mamimiss na mga earnings from those people na magpo-fall under sa iyong matrix. So, here's the computation naman, no, sa X6. On your X6, there are 14 slots, okay, or 14 people. So, your first level, ang earnings mo lang dyan is 10%. So, di ba sa normal na matrix, wala tayong earnings dito sa first direct kasi pass up yan sa upline. But here, we will earn 10% from them. Okay? On our second level, we will earn 20%. So, when we compare this to X6 ng normal matrix, we will earn 60%. But here, only 20%. But the good news is, the next people or the next slots, which is, dito guys pwedeng ito ay mga indirect referrals mo or spillover ito ng uplines mo or mga crossovers yan. So, pwedeng ganon. Kaya hindi yan lahat ay kailangang direct mo. So, advantage mo kung nadugtong ka nga dun sa masipag na upline or builder kasi malalagyan ka ng mga spillovers. So, these people ay mag-earn ka ng 50%, which is big, di ba? So, 10% on your first level, 20% on your second level, and 50% on your third level. Only 6 slots yung papasok sa'yo kasi yung dalawa sa huli is magiging recycle or rebuy slots yan. Okay? So, ito naman yung distribution ng X6 ng earnings. Okay? Yung table. So, slot value, $1. Okay? The profit na ma-earn natin sa slot number 1 is 3.28 USDT. Alright? So, kasi yun nga yan, distributed in 10%, 20%, and 50%. So, that's total of 80%. Okay? So, kapag kinompute mo siya, ang earnings mo is, eto, kapag in-upgrade mo siya ng 1 by 1, it means, eto lang yung nanggaling sa pocket mo. Okay? Basta meron kayong usapan ng mga members mo, yun nga lang, medyo magiging mabagal ito. It's up to you. So, eto yung profit, magiging total profit mo is 836.40, which is another 400%. But, kung in-upgrade mo siya ng isahan lang, okay, ng isang out of your pocket, so, of course, ima-minus mo ito dito sa total earnings. So, ang magiging net profit mo lang is 582.40, but, since you upgrade earlier, alright, since you upgrade fast, dahil nag-out of pocket ka, mas malaki yung benefit mo. Wala kang mamimiss na earnings from your upcoming spillovers or direct referrals or mga crossovers spillover. So that's how it works, okay? But again, there is a passive income or non-working income from both X3 and X6. Okay? So now let's talk about X9. So this is the biggest matrix in the system. So ito yung gustong-gusto ng lahat. Okay? So again, there are 8 slots here and the total value of these 8 slots is the same, 255 USDT. So pwede mo siyang bilhin ng isahan or pwede mo rin namang once na nag-earn ka, pwede mong iba yung next slots. So same thing dun sa X3 and X6. Okay? So, ito yung distribution niya, guys. So, this is very new for us kasi syempre, sanay tayo sa X3 and X6 lang. But guys, meron palang mas powerful which is yung X9. So, dito sa X9, this is global spillover. So, hindi lang to nakadepende no, sa line natin which is yung upline mo lang at saka yung mga downlines mo, kayo lang yung nagtutulong-tulong. Dito, guys, global. It means lahat ng pumapasok sa system. This is like the dividends in the smart contracts na we-work out natin before. Okay? But this is more powerful kasi yun nga, sabi ko nga, the community has built already. Marami ng mga leaders na nagwo-workout dito at nagbi-build dito. So, damay tayo dito. So, it's just a matter of positioning yourself. Kung gusto mong pumasok ng huli na, it's up to you. So, syempre, mas huli kang malalagyan ng global spillover na to. But if you position yourself, habang nasa 3,000 pa lang tayo, 'di ba? It means, we are pioneers and we will benefit early from this global spillovers or what we call the X9 matrix. So, sabi dito, X9 is the most powerful global matrix. It will be filled with global community. When one cycle of any particular slot completed, system will redirect you to rebuy the respective slot and same business cycle will repeat again up to infinity times. So, let's talk about the price or the amounts. This is very exciting, guys. So, and again, the total distribution is 80% kasi 8% per level yan and there are 10 levels. So, total of 80%. You will get 8% from each level up to 10th level from 88,572 members. Can you imagine? Ngayon pa lang, guys, third day, nasa 3,000. So, alam naman natin, no, na habang dumadami yung members, mas nadodoble yung pumapasok. So, it's about the power of duplication. So, it means yung 88,572 members na yan, napaka-easy lang nito, guys, na ma-fill up. So, ngayon, on the third day, nasa 3,000 members, going 4,000. So, it means, kapag nandyan ka sa position, pag nakaposition ka na dyan, maaga kang makaka-receive ng spillovers or earnings na to. Okay? This is very powerful, guys, and I'm very excited about this X9 earnings. Alright? So, ito yung profit natin, yung profit table sa X9. So, slot value, ayan ulit, pareho lang. So, total of 255. But guess what? How much is the profit? It's huge. Okay? So, kung nag-activate ka lang ng slot number 1, ito yung potential earning mo as long as nakaposition ka ng maaga. Okay? Pag na-fulfill na yung system, yung 85,000 na yan, this will be your earning potential from your capital of $1. Okay? But since synchronized nga yung pag-activate, so it means basically it's $3. Okay? Because it will automatically activate your X3 and X6. So, X9, itong $1 na to, ito yung potential earnings mo. But if you unlock your level 2, so ito, mas doble siya. So, mapapansin mo, nadodoble yung amounts. So, kung nag-activate ka ng slot number 5, ito yung earning potential mo, 113,360 USDT. So, if you're like me na inactivate na lahat ng slots, okay? Ito, guys, ang earning potential, 906,880, and this is about USDT, guys. Can you imagine that? At pag tinotal mo lahat ng profit na yan, it's 1,806,675 sa isang cycle lang. Okay? So, isang cycle, guys, that's 85,000 people. Ayan, 88,572 people only. Okay? And this is your earnings sa isang cycle, guys. So, it's too early, kaka-launch lang nito. kung gusto mong maranasan din yung magical earnings na yan, then position yourself as soon as you can. Okay? So, the total distribution is 110%. 5% for the creator's treasure. Ayan, sa developer. So, nakita ko na very powerful ito kasi before, naka-mindset tayo na ayaw natin na merong napupunta sa developer or sa creator or sa platform. But, hindi pala maganda yon kasi bakit? Once na na-deploy na yan ng developer, pag wala na siyang pakinabang, madali na niyang iwan yan. So, kumbaga, abang na lang siya ng earnings, 'di ba? So, naranasan natin yan sa mga matrices na sinalihan natin. Okay? Now, dito, meron tayong 5% na kinocontribute sa platform's creator. So, malalaman natin mamaya ano yung importance niyan. And the other 80% goes to the matrix wherein yun in-explain natin kanina sa X3 hanggang X9. Okay? Meron siyang 80% distribution. And then, sa mga ranks, eto yon guys. So, 5% for Millard's Gold rank. EM natin na mag-rank ng ganito. Okay? Additional earnings yan. So, 5% for the Millard's Diamond, 5% for Platinum, and then 10% for Emperor. So, ano ba yung mga ranks na yan at paano ba natin siya mamamaximize or magkano yung potential earnings dyan? So, Millard's Gold, ito yung mga terms and condition for bonus and reward. So, you must have 3 out of 3 slots and in all 3 business segments, and you must have 3 direct members of the same slots and minimum earning of $500. So, it means na dapat meron ka sa tatlong matrices na naka level 3, okay? And all 3 business segments, tapos meron kang 3 direct members na nag-earn na ng $500. So, meron kang additional 5% kapag na-achieve mo to. Okay? So, your rank is gold. Now, on the diamond rank, you must have 5 of 5 slots in all 3 business, yung X3, X6, and X9. And you have 5 direct members na naka-same ng na-unlock sa'yo, naka 5 slots din, and a minimum earnings of 2,000. So, when you achieve that, okay, 2,000 times 5, diba? 5 slots yan, and then 5 people. So, grabe po, ang laki po nun. So, kahit 5% lang yan, do the math. Okay? So, another rank, higher rank is Platinum. So, dito naman, kailangan meron kang 6 of 6 slots in all 3 segments, X3, X6, and X9. And you have 6 direct members of the same 6 slots. Okay, activated din yung 6 slots na yan. And a minimum earning of 5,000. So, mas malaki na to guys. Another 5% from these people and from these slots. So, that's huge. Okay, and this is the biggest one, which is the Emperor rank. And you must have 8 of 8 slots in all 3 business segments. Okay, ito ibig sabihin, naka-max level ka. And you have 8 direct members na naka-maximum level din. At ang minimum earnings nila is 10,000 USDT. Imagine how much you can make, how much is the 5% of this amount na imumultiply mo sa 8. Okay, kasi 8 yan. Okay, 8 tao yan, 8 slots yan, at 3 businesses yan. So, napakalaking earning potential nito, guys. Alright? Dito ako na-excite ng sobra. Kaya naman, grabe po, inaral ko siya. And I'm still learning. But the more na na-learn ko yung business, mas lalo akong na-excite. Okay? So, hope kayo din, nakita nyo yung nakita ko. So, this is the slot buying mechanism in X3, X6, and X9 matrices in Millards. So, ito yung slot value niya. And then you have total 3 segments. So, this is the total amount. Okay, slot number 2, multiply mo lang yan sa 3 is 6 USDT. 4 times 3 segments, there's 12 USDT. So, this is the total amount, guys. Okay, so slot number 8, 128 times 3 is 384. Pag kinumpute mo siya lahat, total of 765 USDT. Okay, for the 3 segments na yan. Each segment, 255. Okay, multiply mo sa 3 yan, that's 765. So, once inactivate mo yung 1 segment, automatic, kailangan mo i-activate all of those 3 segments. Okay? So, this is unlimited profit cycle. The bigger slots equals more earnings. So, if you buy 1 slot, okay, so that will cost you only $3. Then, if you buy 1 to 2 slots, this is the total amount na guys ha. Pag inactivate mo na yung 1 and 2 slots, that will cost you $9. Pag inactivate mo naman hanggang 3rd slot, it will cost you 21. And if you activate up to 4 slot, only 45 USDT. 1 to 5 slot is only 93 USDT. 1 to 6 slot is only 189 USDT. Alright, so slot 1 to 7, only 399 USDT. Can you imagine that guys? Napakaliit lang. And slot 1 to 8, okay? We're talking about the 3 business segments na ha. Ito yung X3, X6, and X9. So only 765 out of your packet, activated na or unlock na lahat ng slots na yan. You have all the benefits na dito sa system. Kasi wala ka nang i-unlock, wala ka nang ilalabas out of your packet. So you will only spend 765 USDT one time and you will start generating unlimited profit na for lifetime. Okay? So, Millard's roadmap. We have strong roadmap of 3 years and beyond, which starts with our Millard Smart Contract and ends on Millard Smart Contract. We don't want to lose the sight on our main narrative. Our full focus is on the growth of Millard's community as part of Smart Contract Project. So, ito yung roadmap, no, to 2024 up to 2025. We are looking forward to grow 2 million members as a community. So, again, how much is the one cycle? That's only 85,000 people, di ba? Members. So, how much more can you compute that kung 2 million members na? Tapos, ikaw ay part ng top 1,000 members, top 5, sabihin na natin top 3,000 members. Kasi ako, nasa 2,150 members na ako. Okay, nasa 2,150 ID na ako. But, it's okay, hindi pa rin yan late. No, it's too early. Okay? So, ngayon, less than 5,000 members. So, first 5,000 members is still very lucky and still a very good position. Okay? So, year 2025 to 2026, ang aim ng project is to have at least 3 to 4 million members. Okay? And then, 2026 to 2027, 10 million members. So, we all know the power of duplication. So, yan ay target lang yan. So, who knows? Baka mas marami pa yung pumasok dito kasi sabi ko nga, ngayon pa lang top leaders na from India, alam natin kung gaano ka-powerful, no? Yung mga top leaders na yan, kung gaano sila kalaki yung market doon, no? So, sasamahan pa nating mga Pinoy. So, grabe po. Grabe yung magiging result ng project na to. Okay, sabi ko nga, this is a real project and very professional. So, Millard's roadmap to continued. Hence, we kept 5% as creators fund so that we don't want to depend on anyone else for our community growth. Yun na, ito na yung sinasabi ko guys, na kapag yung isang developer na i-deploy na niya ang isang system, so wapakals na yan, 'di ba? So kumikita na lang siya dun sa number 1 ID niya, 'di ba? So kumbaga hindi na siya magpupursige na i-market yung project, tapos magbayad dun sa mga promoters, ayan, for the exposure, 'di ba? So, eto guys, 5% is just a small amount, pero malaki ng impact niyan sa isang community or sa dito sa platform. Okay? So, we have many other plans in place, but that is not the part of Smart Contract, but we will surprise our community with such unpredictable gifts in time to time. So, exciting yon, di ba? So, very important points. Millard is a very powerful business platform which allows you to earn without the deadline of the slots with a limited number of places and an unlimited number of recycle. You only invest on slots one time and you will get unlimited lifetime income on the platform. The system itself rebuys slots every time for you up to unlimited time. So, ito na nga yung sinasabi ko, no, na one time lang tayo maglalabas and grabe, multiple times for lifetime na natin yung pagkakakitaan. So, mas pinaganda pa dito kasi hanggang X9. So, there are 3 branches or there are 3 business segments. 'Di ba? So, estimated profit table shown here is only for one business cycle. Yung pinakita natin kanina. And alam naman natin na once na nag-recycle tayo, once na na-fill up na yung lahat ng slots na yon, okay? Uulit na naman tayo for that certain amount ulit. Paulit-ulit yun guys, kaya grabe, kaya nga dito sinabi na billions of wealth yung pwede mong ma-earn. Okay? So, ganun din naman yung sinasabi, no, sa mga smart contracts na nasalihan natin. Yun nga lang guys, accept the fact na iba yon, iba to, no? Kasi dun sa projects na yon, okay, na-hype tayo, nangarap tayo, 'di ba? Akala natin yun na yun, but end of the day, wala namang mga leaders na willing i-work out, 'di ba? So sabi ko nga, ang isang smart contract ay nakadepende sa community. So ang isang community, kapag iisa lang yung tumatrabaho, 'di ba? Kumbaga mabagal yung magiging growth niya, and ending is yun, mawawala na yung eagerness or yung excitement ng community hanggang sa totally ma-burnout na lahat. So, sabi ko nga guys, dapat kasi ang isang community, ang isang project, ay meron talagang mga leaders na nagpupursige. 'Di ba? So, dito nakita ko kay Millards, sa YouTube pa lang, makikita mo pag sinearch mo, ang daming leaders, ang daming YouTubers, ang daming influencers na nagpo-promote. So, yun yung magiging key para mas makilala to, no? Para mag-ingay, maging trending. Tapos, yung mga leaders nito is hindi on hype lang. 'Di ba? Makikita mo, ako mismo nakita ko yung isang sister ko from India. Yun nga yung tina-target ko na sana ay makuha ko dun sa ating bull run at kay OP Bull. Pero wala, yung isang top leader natin gumive up, 'di ba? Kasi nakita niya yung mga other leaders walang kumikilos, walang willing, 'di ba? Umasa lang sa dividends. So, nakita ko dito na buhay yung community, powerful yung mga top leaders, nagwo-work talaga. So, eto na yon. Okay? So, ayun nga guys, no? You only invest one time and you will earn unlimited for lifetime. Okay? If you have a smaller slot in Millards, but if you refer someone with the slots higher than you own, you will miss the profit from that partner in this cycle. So, ito guys, normal na to, no? Alam na natin at aware na tayo dito. Kaya naman, kung ikaw ay talagang seryoso na i-work out si Millards, yung 765 na one-time capital dito, kung na-all out mo nga yan dun sa matrix natin, no, na mas malaking hamak, nasa almost $2,000 capital, okay, dito pa kaya kay 765 lang na ma-open na lahat ng 3 business segments na yon or branches mo, no, yung X3, X6, and X9, mahirapan ka kayang maglabas kung alam mo naman yung kapupuntahan nito, 'di ba? So, doon ako na-excite ng todo, and kung nakapaglabas ako ng malaking amount doon sa other matrix na win-workout natin, why not here? 'Di ba? So, ayun nga, kasi dito guys, no, pag inactivate mo na, minax level mo na siya, alam mo na yung benefit mo nun. Huge difference kung uunti-untiin mo siya. Kasi kung pa isa-isa ka lang ng pag-unlock, maaaring may mamiss ka na earnings. Kasi guys, this is global. We're talking about global business. Hindi ito about dun lang sa binibuild mo na network. Okay? Hindi lang ito about dun sa mga downlines mo. It's about global. Kasi meron tayong X9 wherein worldwide, hindi mo naman yan mapipigilan kung gusto nilang mag-unlock ng levels. 'Di ba? But if you unlock levels in one time, then you are about to receive massive spillovers and earnings from the system. Okay? Number 7, X9 matrix absolutely non-working. Ayan, passive income matrix. Number 8, total slots value in all 3 business segments only 765, which you need to spend only one time. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko guys, no? Then, 10% deduction from the withdrawals which is added into distribution to the community. So, kaya nga sinabi dito na total of 110%. So, nagtaka nga ako dyan kanina, pero pag kinumpute mo nga naman siya, magiging 110% kumbaga yung nagiging distribution. Okay? So, the 5% creators funds will go to strengthen the business for a very long time. So, ito pa, di ba, yung mga key points. Okay? Our domain, millards.io, is registered for 10 years in premium category. So, di ba, napaka lawak, no, ng naging ano nito, foundation, napakatibay. So, doon pa lang premium na, 'di ba? Very professional. So, ipagkakatiwala mo ba yung hard-earned money mo kung ganito ka-strong at kaganda yung business model? Of course, why not? 'Di ba? So, very important points. Number 12. Ayan, ito pa pala. So, there is a multilingual PDF, business promotion materials, trainings, and educational materials. So, ito pa lang, provided na nila nasa dashboard. Okay? International Multilingual Business Webinar. Ayan, nagkakandak na sila ng mga webinars 24/7 live customer care. Ayan, meron silang WhatsApp, which is makikita natin yan sa website. Okay, click mo lang yung WhatsApp button doon. That will direct us to the customer support. Okay? And ayan, ito yung hotline, support hotline. So, nandito lahat, provided lahat guys. Napakagandang platform. Alright? Billionaires. So, admit na natin yan. Okay? Napakaganda ng project at napaka-professional. So, nandito lahat yung mga social media accounts wherein pwede tayong mag-follow para lagi tayong updated. Okay? So, Telegram, Twitter, website, ayan, YouTube. Okay? A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Okay? So, I hope na-deliver ko sa inyo ng maayos at maintindihan pang mabuti kung paano tumatakbo yung sistema ni Millards. Okay? Kung hindi nyo naintindihan, ulit-ulitin nyo lang and aralin nyo din yung sistema. So, that way, pwede tayong mag-share ng opportunity, maita-transfer natin mabuti sa kanila para maintindihan nila ano yung pinagkaiba at kung paano natin ma-maximize yung sistema na binild ni Millards. Okay? So, that's all guys and I hope makasama namin kayo dito. So, again, this is Baby Snow. Please subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon there para lagi kayong updated. And also join our Telegram community. The link is already in the description. Also the registration para makapag-register kayo dito nandiyan na rin po sa description. And nasa ipipin natin sa comments section. Okay? So that's all guys. And again, this is Baby Snow. Thank you so much for staying in my channel. Again, I'll see you in the next one. Happy earnings. Bye-bye.